Welcome to Knot So Kreativ. In this video, I'll teach you the Russian bind-off method, a simple yet elegant way to finish your projects. Known for its clean, stretchy edge, I'll show you how to use this method for both the stockinette and 2x2 ribbon. Let's dive right in. Okay, we're going to start with the stockinette version of the Russian bind-off. To start, we have to knit the first stitch. Now, transfer the stitch from the right needle back to the left needle. Insert your needle into the first stitch as if to purl, and then into the second stitch as if to knit. Let me show you how this looks. Notice how the back shows the needle between two loops, and in the front, this creates a cross. Wrap the working yarn around the needle and knit the stitch by passing it between the cross and the front, and drop both the stitches off the left needle. Now you just have to repeat this process. Place the stitch from the right needle back onto the left needle, insert the needle into the first stitch as if to purl, and the second stitch as if to knit, and knit them together. Continue this process until all the stitches are bound off. This creates a smooth and stretchy edge, ideal for a variety of projects. Now, let's try the Russian bind-off for 2x2 ribbon. The goal here is to maintain the ribbon pattern while creating a flexible edge. In this sample, we start with knit stitches. Begin by knitting the first two stitches through the back loop. Transfer the stitch from the right needle back to the left needle. Since the next stitch is a purl stitch, place the working yarn to the front and then transfer the stitch from the right needle back to the left needle. Purl the two stitches together. Now, place the stitch back onto the left needle. Purl the next two stitches together as it's another purl stitch. Transfer the stitch back to the left needle. When you reach a knit stitch, knit the first two stitches through the back loop, and that's it. We have to repeat this process again. Knit two stitches together through the back loop for the knit stitches, and purl two stitches together for purl stitches, always following the ribbon pattern. This method maintains the ribbon texture and stretch, making it perfect for cuffs, necklines, and hats. And that's how you do the Russian bind-off for stockinette and 2x2 ribbon. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Have you used the Russian bind-off before? Thanks for watching, happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.